because I worked a lot in the last 4 months. Since we returned from our sailing trip from the Bahamas and from South America, we decided to do a 2-day trip with Airstream for the first time, because our work as a teacher starts again. So we make a 2-day vacation before all the work will start again. Here we'll go with our 3 dogs, our 2 lovely kids, Vita and Alina, and with this ugly monster. Slim. Yeah, now the journey starts. Yeah, and the Airstream behind us.
Keep left.
This is how it looks like in the morning in the Airstream.
Auf, Lu.
Check our fight dog, Lu. Ooh, very dangerous. She has her active minutes, not minute.
Hours.
And Avita is still sleeping. Vance and Gruli after a walk are a little bit chilling.
I'm just grabbing the GoPro and I'm just showing you around what we're doing right now. We just came back from a hike. We just did a hike and we went swimming in a river close by. And yeah, so now I'm gonna show you what we're doing. Little baby is sleeping. And my mom is enjoying the sun right now. Oh, and this is my dad sleeping. Look what we have here.
Today we have the first guests in the Airstream. Yeah, today I start with the bedroom in the Airstream, and therefore I make the frame. Now I built a frame for our king-size bed, and below the bed there will be the water tank for the fresh water, the Truma heater for the water and for the air, and here I will place the water pump and all the electricity. Here are the charge controller from the solar panels and also the charger for the battery. Behind I will make a storage which you can enter from behind, where you can place skateboards or also stuff for the trailer. Today I have my wiring day, where I make also fuses, all the electricity for 12 volt. I have already installed it, but not everything. And here are the solar chargers and the main brake, where you can turn off everything. It's a lot of work to do. Here is the screwdriver. After some days I have finished all the electricity. I hope so. Here you can see all my fuses. Here is the water pump already. And here are the 12 volt cables. And here is a 230 volt, which is in the US a 110. Yeah, and this is how it looks like now. A big mess. But now I will start with the tubes. In the end I will do the gas. This is the side where the water will come in. It's over there. Here. And I bought from a boat shop a shower because it's much more exclusive. Wow. It's a shower. And here you can turn on and off and hot and cold. And this will come inside here now. Now I mounted the tubes of the heater. As you can see, it's going into the floor. So I have a floor heater too. It's going out here. Then it will come inside the room. And now I will do one more. Yeah, the room in the Airstream gets more narrow and narrow now because a lot of things are inside. I already started here with the kitchen. I decided to do a framework first before I will start with the walls. Here is the shower, the bathroom and the toilet. It's a composting toilet. It will come here inside. Here's the fridge. During the last 2 days I built this seat here. The dogs are waiting outside because they want to do a walk. In the last days I did a lot of things which makes a lot of work, but you don't see it because it's small works. Like this one here for the shower. The water is going away, and here you can see this will be a gas box where a gas bottle will be inside. And in the moment I prepared the wood where the gas bottle will stand, and now I have to do this aluminium. I will do something like a chimney which is going down, because if gas is going out of the bottle, it will go down, not up. So you have to have an open space for it. And here I decided to do a second one with a small gas bottle, the second gas box, because it's better to have a short gas tube to the fridge, and this bottle will only be for the fridge. And this one, the big one, will be for the heater, the water, the oven and the cooking area. Now I will do the 2 chimneys for the gas, and here one is already done. I will show you. It looks like that. Here it's directly outside. It's necessary to do it because the gas has to go down and not on the side or between the 2 floors. This is only for security reasons. Now I decided to make a hole for the gas bottle, a circle, as you can see here, because the bottle has a better hold in the gas box, as you can see here with the little one. So it's inside and it's much more stable and can't move. Yeah, it's going on. And here, by the way, you can see the new Pinkrambutan shirt. And if you support our production, Pinkrambutan, as a patron on Patreon, you will get such kind of t-shirt, a Pinkrambutan t-shirt. Yes, and see you in the next episode when I will mount the gas tubes and the first walls. Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream renovation adventure during the next month, and see you soon here again on pinkrambutan.com.